welcome back, guys. I found this app called Learn to Pronounce, and I want to show you how dumb the app is. It's like, Ararat, Ararat. It's like, look. I'm going to show you. That is awesome. I'm going to put that in. Is awesome. And then look how it says it. That is awesome. What about my YouTube name? Murtada. What about three A's?
Stop.
Murtada.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
Murtagaya?
Stop.
That's a lie.
Stop. I can't do it. Get Bakker. Bakker.
What? What? What?
You know the pyramids? Exactly. He said Dark Ball, the hill.
How's that funny?
No, it was funnier when he said it.
Let me do this.
Can I hear it now? Okay.
A-U-A-A.
No.
Let me see that.
Fine, I love you. You're my little girl, right? Who's my little girl? Who's my little girl? What's her name?
So it's like A. Dang!
No, not like that.
Wackoos.
Duh.
What is
Left. This is my right.
things have to do with Then that. Wait, let's get the sound.
Oh, you have to hold it. I'm sorry, you have to hold it.
What the heck? Cause I'm gonna now I won't do it. CCY. Nargis, you wanna hear something? Nargis, you wanna hear something?
Which, I will have to do it schwid sick.
What did you do?
I know, it's so funny. It's so funny. Whatever. Guys, what do you want me to do? Just comment down in the comments below. And then my sister didn't annoy me in this video because last time. Oh my god! Bye. Where's the recording? Oh. My recording, go away. Go away, recording. Oh, my recording could be done.